Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things are where I keep my linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I thank you for watching. I thank you for your time. Let's rock. Pin day! Yay! Pin it together. First thing I'm going to do are these inside blocks. So I have a squared up wall to work off of. That's my proper 4.5, 7.5. Pin it square and then pin the skin. I got a jam. I see what it did. It ricocheted, lodged itself in the track. All better. Awesome. Yay. One big problem though. Two ways I can deal with this. And the second way ain't gonna work. Yeah, the problem I have, unfortunately, with the door is it catches clear out. So I'd have to shave either direction. It still hangs up. I'm thinking piano hinge. Obviously, you don't want. I was thinking the top piano hinge it. But then how are you gonna hang it in a tree? Easily. Gotta reach up over the box. You'd have to take that out of your way, blah, blah, blah. So I'm thinking reverse drawbridge. Yeah. Set the roof. then draw a bridge. Trying to think of a safe way to do this. There isn't. Awesome. I already have the piano hinge, but what I don't have is a way to secure the door. Thank goodness I have help. They even taught me how to spell. I'm going with the deadbolt, or slide bolt, just gravity drop. Just a drop bolt right into it. Thank you. I needed 2 of these, one for both, because same design on the other one. $3.87 each. Patreon. Thank you, thank you. I was also, I'm going to paint it anyway, but so I can draw a line, not have to worry about erasing it before paint. Now the last piece that I used, the last couple pieces I used, I cut it with a grinder, fused it shut. Oops. Yes, I did. Welded with an angle grinder. Oops. Working with metal is not really my strong suit. Neither is working with lumber. So 4 holes, boom. Drop bolt. Paint it. Yay. This has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, subscribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.